In this video, I'll show you how AI Associate in JUMP helps you quickly surface insights across your clients, meetings, and connected systems right when questions come up. AI Associate gives you fast, intelligent access to your firm's data across meetings, CRM records, financial planning tools, email, and tasks, all within JUMP. So instead of digging through different systems, you can just ask and get answers without leaving your workflow. AI Associate pulls from your JUMP meeting notes, connected CRMs like Salesforce, Wealthbox, or Redtail, financial planning tools like eMoney or Right Capital, and email and workflow data, ensuring answers are grounded in your firm's information. It also carries context within the same conversation, so you can ask follow-up questions naturally. Throughout the day, questions come up. Maybe you're on a call and a client references something from a prior conversation, or you're updating a record and can't remember what changed last quarter. Instead of searching across systems, you can just ask. Here, AI Associate checks tasks and CRM updates to give you a quick snapshot of what's still open. AI Associate can surface and summarize recent communications, including meetings, CRM notes, or connected emails, so you can quickly reorient yourself. Notice I didn't restate the details. AI Associate remembers the conversation's context and builds on it. AI Associate helps reduce friction between systems and gives you clarity faster without interrupting your workflow. It brings together the information you already have so you can get answers in seconds. The next time a question comes up, try asking AI Associate.